I'm too young to die. Von Karma.
What about me?
Von Karma met Gregory Edgeworth in court. Von Karma did win, but he didn't make it through the trial unscarred.
What happened in the trial between Edgeworth's dad and Von Karma?
Legal bloodshed, I'm afraid. Von Karma got the guilty verdict he wanted. He won the trial, but it is a large and thick but, mind you. Gregory Edgeworth accused Von Karma of faulty evidence. Then we lost the trial. Mr. Edgeworth's accusation stood.
Faulty evidence?
It was the only penalty Von Karma had ever received. Career as a prosecutor. Gregory Edgeworth dealt a blow to his perfect trial record. It must have been quite the shock for Von Karma. He took a vacation for several months.
Vacation?
Yes. An unusual event for the man. It was the first and the last vacation he's taken in many years of prosecuting.
Really? He doesn't take vacations? Like, go to the sea? Or, to the mountains? Don't tell me he's never been to Europe!
Yo, do I have any people who have never been to Europe? Yo, where am I never been to Europers? The only time I've left this country is when I jumped off the ground for the brief few seconds until I landed again back in Freedom Town.
You have strange ideas about vacations, Maya.
In any case, that was the only time he took a vacation from work. I believe the penalty upset him quite a lot.
Odd. If he wanted to keep a perfect record so badly, why would he take such a long vacation?
What do we do, Nick? Von Karma is going to bring up DL6. You can bet on it. What if Mr. Edgeworth pleads guilty to DL6?
It doesn't matter. He won't go to jail. It's not really his fault. But I won't let him. I'll slap his mouth shut with tape.
Yes, Mr. Wright.
Can't think of more effective ways.
Gumshoe has that flex tape, right? That'll seal him up.
There are more fun ways than tape, Mr. Wright.
Oh, what?
I hate to say this, but even accidental murder is murder?
What is this game?
Welcome to 2016.
What?
All right, hold on. Let's take this in the light most favorable to growth. There is a crime called negligent homicide, okay? And, if you're shooting in a dark area with a lethal weapon, which is a gun, and you don't know where you're shooting, you don't know who you're shooting, you don't know how you're shooting, is that negligent? Arguably, yes.
But Edgeworth was 1, 9 years old, 2, didn't fire the gun, he threw the gun.
9 years old is old enough. Throwing the gun, I don't know.
Also, in defense of his father being attacked. Attacked!
Yeah, you would not be able to get a conviction on this.
Like there is no way! This is
not in our day.
What the hell?
Not in our day would it happen.
Apparently, I know this! This is insane! What the actual
heck? I went to school of law!
There's no way it would stick.
This is crazy! Why are we so concerned about it? I just believe in Edgeworth's innocence.
Emotional stakes.
He is innocent in the sense of that he won't go to jail for this. I can't believe he'd kill someone. He did not on purpose. I'm dying. This is out of all of the shit this game has pulled, this one is killing me because it's just like grasping at straws. At this point, it's just like, how did we make Edgeworth the problem that killed his father so that he goes to jail? It's just like, oh my god, I'm dying. What the hell?
Meanwhile, it's the judge that comes in and sets everyone straight. You realize he couldn't be blamed for this, right?
Judge B just like slap. Everybody needs to shut the fuck up.
I'm just imagining
you are all morons.
No. They call a spirit medium, and it's just like, Your Honor, he was possessed while he pulled the trigger, and it's just like, right, I hate to tell you this, but possessed murder is still murder, you know.
Oh my god. I'm dying.
But Nick...
You know what they say, possession is 9/10 of the law.
Mr. Edgeworth admits it himself. His father must have lied to protect him from beyond the grave.
I don't care. He shouldn't be able to be tried for murder because it wasn't his problem, so I know he's not guilty of murder.
Mr. Wright, if you say so, I suppose I could check again. The police files might have something of interest.
They usually do.
Mr. Grossberg, thank you.
I can't promise anything more, in fact. I think the chances of finding something are slim.
I understand, but I appreciate the sentiment. The police materials.
There's hardly anyone here.
Everyone must be out looking for the old guy, Yogi.
Ah, it's you. I don't think Gumshoe will be coming back today. He's staying out late looking for someone.
Sounds like Detective Gumshoe is pounding the pavement for real. We were wondering if we could check out the records room again?
Well now, I can't have just anyone wandering around in there. But I guess Mr. Von Karma is in there now anyway.
No!
The more the merrier, right?
No, I don't want to go in there with him. Oh no!
as long as he's there,
He's gonna leave the second we go in. Yep.
that won't be a problem, right?
Von Karma?
Yes, he just arrived, actually.
On Karma's in the records room.
Tampering with
Oh, I didn't even think about that. Oh, goodness.
deceitful prosecutor. Of
He
course he's
is-
tampering with...
I'm not ready.
Yeah, that's on camera. He's a tamperer. Toon toon.
Dusty as always.
We were only here just yesterday. I'm sure they just haven't had time to clean.
What's wrong, Nick?
Nothing. I was just noticing that he isn't here. Von Karma. I'm gonna
Okay,
examine. He'll pop out.
Hiding in there?
Huh? One of the drawers here is open.
Someone must have been looking in it recently.
The label says unsolved cases evidence.
Unsolved cases.
Nick, the file for DL6. It's completely empty. This has to be illegal.
What? Good thing I took that one piece of paper from before. Oh no.
What are you doing in here?
Dusting? Eek! Oh god, the frontal look.
It hurts me.
Von Karma!
He's so wrinkly from the front.
That stutter was genuine. He's horrifying.
You!
Stop looking at me.
Oh.
How do you know my name?
We've
What?
been in trial together, huh?
What? Also, aren't you supposed to be like famous prosecutor Manfred von Karma? Like, isn't that like a thing? Come on, Miles Edgeworth was in the
He cares
paper.
So little about this trial that he forgot we're literally on the other side of the courtroom from
Hey,
him.
you know what? Works out for me, right? The less he knows who I am, the better.
Huh?
Have we met?
What are you saying? We see each other every day, don't we?
Maya, shut up! Shut up! No, I've heard your name in the paper, and we're just here to look at some other things. I'm an aspiring police officer.
Nick, be honest and show him what you're made of. We're Miles Edgeworth's defense team.
Oh.
Defense team? Ahem. I beg your pardon. You see, I barely remember defense attorney.
What is with
my
his
God.
face?
Stop smiling.
What is his face?
He looks like a mask from the Batman movie. This is wrong.
And I thought that Phoenix's eyebrows were criminal, but like this
Nine,
man's.
nine, nine. I must ask you. Oh my god, I was just gonna say that! They are like bugs to me. Needless things. Need to be crushed.
Dylan, it's concerning how often you predict that's gonna happen in this
I
one.
have to ask you, do you remember the name of every ant you stomp?
Oh my god.
It's concerning how you predict the lines of the villain.
That is very true. The villain specifically. I can see how this guy was Edgeworth's mentor.
Oh yeah, the resemblance is uncanny. Why do we want to talk to him?
I guess so.
Phoenix, what are you going to say?
Oh wait. This is the part where we almost die. Right here, right now. I'm calling it. This is the
Oh, yeah,
part.
Rufia.
This is it. All right, Edgeworth.
Mr. Edgeworth is your student, right?
A romanticist who still can't shed the veneer of amateurism. Just like his father. Always second rate.
Mr. Von Karma, you had an axe to grind with Mr. Gregory Edgeworth, didn't you?
Me? A grudge against a mere defense attorney? Why?
Because he dealt a blow to your otherwise perfect trial record. So you did. But what I don't get is why you did take his son under your wing afterwards. The son of your most bitter rival.
That, my dear attorney, is none of your business.
Oh no, I'm not ready. I feel like after we talk with him, I feel like the ticket is showing him something in our thing and we're going to get like, he's gonna
I
pull
feel
out
like
a
we
knife
have
and
to
stab
show
us.
him the note or something.
Yeah, but he's gonna like pull out the knife and like stab us or something.
Tomorrow will be the last day of this trial.
Phoenix Wright, trauma room.
Oh god.
It's been a while since I've had a defense attorney last this long. Still, you will lose in the end, they always do. Miles Edgeworth will admit his own guilt.
Oh no.
I'm guilty.
Phoenix, why are you bringing this up? Phoenix, please. Phoenix. His guilt of 15 years ago, you mean? Oh.
Here it comes.
You're quite the researcher.
No.
If you've done your homework so well, then certainly you must understand.
Not ready.
You know what Miles Edgeworth will tell the court tomorrow.
We were right. So, Von Karma is going to bring up DL6 in court tomorrow.
Oh my god.
I think I gotta present. I think I gotta present this.
I think so.
Yeah, for sure.
This is gonna go great.
I'm not ready to die. I'm too young to die. Mr. Von Karma,
What about me? At least let me run out of here.
you have time while I'm talking to him.
Need a witness, don't
Maya,
you?
if you want to leave, go right now. But Mr. Von Karma, have a look at this. I have firmly adhered it to my hand, so you cannot take it from me. And I have made copies in the back, because that's the smart thing to do. But this was you, wasn't it? You instructed Yanni Yogi to commit murder.
Yanni Yogi. How many years has it been since I have heard him called by that name? He's a fool.
The face!
I told him to burn it after he read it.
Oh, yep, we're about to die here. He's gonna burn us.
Huh? So you admit it? You wrote Mr. Yogi this letter.
You have all my dear defense attorney.
She's not a defense attorney. She didn't go to law school.
Well, she seems like a bug to me. Thank you for taking the trouble to bring it back to me.
No. See, I
not
knew
what we
this was
did.
bad. I knew this
We
was
never
bad.
handed it to you.
This
We
is not
showed
what I
you.
wanted.
There's a difference.
I knew that it was
you
coming.
saved me from a lot of needless hassle.
I knew it was coming. I'm not, what?
Nick, what is that thing?
Did he really pull out a knife? Oh, a taser! A taser! I thought it was a gun. A taser. A stun gun for self-defense. Usually, look at his face.
Jeez.
Please.
Okay, this is a man who has
I'm
killed
dying.
and will do it again.
I'm not ready. No, he's never killed anybody. He's just conspires with
Shoot.
people to kill
Listen,
people.
you might not like it,
Neighbor.
but this is the least problematic prosecutor that exists.
Oh my god. No, Edgeworth is the least problematic.
He's a defendant. He can't be a prosecutor. Sorry.
Indeed.
Okay, so I get punched, I get almost erased by the Mafia, and now I'm about to get tased. Phoenix, you're a pretty sturdy dude.
Merely placed, Phoenix. The Wunderwaffe DG2 will shoot 600,000 volts, and it will course through your body like a dog touching an electric fence.
There's sick man.
600. Ow!
Oh, don't worry. People don't die from it, usually.
I'm dying. I'm dying.
Now, give me the letter.
Phoenix, this is why you don't show to people, okay? And this is why you make copies. No. Oh. No. Oh. What?
Well, what are you?
Nick, run!
Maya! Maya!
Out of the way!
Ow!
Ugh, he got us. I knew it. The letter's gone, of course.
Oh, Vedic.
And he took the DL6 evidence. All of it. Even mine. Back to having no clues. Wait, Maya jumped first. Maya! Is she okay? Maya? Maya?
Ow!
Maya! Open your eyes! Slap, slap, wake up! Maya!
The letter! Did he take it?
Huh? Oh, yeah. Are you okay?
I couldn't stop him. I jumped as fast as I could, but one shot from that thing knocked me out cold. I'm useless. I'm no good as a lawyer or a medium. I can't even call my sister.
Well, you were never a lawyer, but that's besides the point.
Not even now when we need her the most. I wish I hadn't woken up at all.
No, Maya! There has to be some way I can help her. I'd better do something about her self-confidence first. Maya, she's holding something. What is that? A bullet? DL6 incident evidence, number 7, taken from the heart of Gregory Edgeworth. I remember. Von Karma was holding this when Maya jumped him. Ballistic markings all over again. I'll prove it to you,
looks
Maya.
like ballistic markings might be the linchpin.
You're most definitely not useless. I'll prove it to you in court tomorrow.
One bullet, huh? That's all we need?
I guess so. I mean,
ain't feeling great.
we don't got a lot else. That's for frickin' certain. We hope you enjoyed watching this episode of the Arcade Cabinet.
Join us. We're live 9 p.m. Eastern, Twitch, and YouTube.
If you like what you've seen so far, consider giving us a like and subscribe for more content and chaos.
See you next time.
And Meowth, that's right!
No.